Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to add a language to your LinkedIn profile. So first of all, open up Google. Now once you're in Google, type in here LinkedIn. Now once you're here, go to the website. Now once you're at the website, click on the three dots at the top right, and in here, select this desktop option right here. Now once you're here, I'm just going to zoom in a bit. Click on this profile picture right here, and in here click on view profile. Now in here, click on add profile section. In here, click on additional at the bottom, and in here, click on add languages right here. Now in here, add in a language. I will go for, let's say, Urdu, and after that, select the proficiency. I will go for, let's say, native or bilingual proficiency, and after that, click on save. And after that, you would get this pop-up at the bottom right here, save was successful. So that is how you can add a language to your LinkedIn profile. Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to add language skills to your LinkedIn profile. Now once you're at the home page of LinkedIn, click on me right here, click on it. Now in here, click on view profile. Now once you're at the profile section, click on add profile section right here. Now in here, click on additional. Simply scroll down until you see add languages, click on it. Now in here, select a language. I will go for, let's say, Chinese. After that, select proficiency. I will go for elementary proficiency, and after that, click on save. And after that, you will get this pop-up right here saying save was successful, and that language would be successfully added to your LinkedIn profile. So that is how you can add language to your LinkedIn profile.